Hello students, now I am taking the nuclear reactions. So nuclear reaction means that when some particle is bombarded to a nucleus, and this nucleus is converted into another nucleus with the emission of certain particle. This is called the nuclear reaction. Just I told you here in the case of artificial radioactivity. So nuclear reaction. When an energetic particle is bombarded on a nucleus, so that a new nucleus is obtained with the emission of a particle. So here we take example to this. Suppose this X is the nucleus. This is bombarded with a particle A. Then it converts to the nucleus by and emits the particle B. So this is nucleus, parent nucleus. This is particle. This is daughter nucleus. And this is again a particle. So in short, this can be written as X A B by. It means this X A particle bombards on the nucleus X, and then we get a nucleus Y with the emission of a particle B. So this is called the nuclear reaction. It is called nuclear reaction. Nuclear reaction. And we can have the example of this one as nitrogen 714, when this is bombarded with the help of a helium He24, it converts to oxygen 817 along with the emission of a proton. And so this can be short because it is a name short. This is nitrogen 714. This is now He24 H11 and oxygen 817. This will be written like this. And in this process, in this nuclear reaction, there is the mass defect. So this mass defect is converted into the energy, which is called the nuclear energy. And it should be remembered in mind that nuclear energy does not mean the nuclear binding energy. So here, this energy found in the nuclear reaction is called the Q value. There is mass defect in nuclear reaction. Which is converted into energy called nuclear energy or Q value. So here the mass defect delta M is equal to mx plus ma minus my plus mb. This so much is the mass defect. Mx the mass of X nucleus, m is the mass of the bombarding particle, and m is the mass of the daughter nuclei, and this is the mass of the particle emitted by the nucleus. So Q value that means E is equal to delta M into C square. So this is equal to mx plus ma minus mi plus mb, this whole multiplied by c square, where c is the velocity of the light, where c velocity of light. mx, my, ma and mb are masses of X and Y nucleus and those of A and B particles respectively. And this energy gives the kinetic energy to the product nucleus. Means whatever nucleus we are gaining to this one here and this particle, so this Q value or the energy is shared by the products. Q value imparts kinetic energy to products. So thus in this nuclear reaction there is always a change of the mass, and that is converted into the energy. So you will study after this one so many nuclear reactions. just like nuclear fission, nuclear fusion, and in all these there will be the mass effect that will be converted into the nucleus. So this is all about the nuclear reaction. So there are so many laws which are followed in this nuclear reaction. The laws followed in nuclear reaction. This is number one, conservation of mass energy. You know that every time there is a change of the mass and that is converted into the energy. And second, conservation of charge. Third, conservation of linear and angular momentum. So these are the laws which are followed in the nuclear reaction. So you all like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you.